Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In the today's session, I want to give the clear information regarding the script command. So script command is one of the important command which is going to be used in our Linux and Unix operating system also. So what is the usage of this script command? First we see. The usage of this script command is recording the things. Whatever commands you have done from the starting of the script onwards, all the outputs will be recorded, all the command activities will be recorded in the script command, and you can save that with a name also. That is the use of this script command. Okay, so first of all we discuss about the script command. All output and all command activities. Okay, first of all you give simply script and enter and type and do all your command activities and record it. All these will be recorded. To end the script, whenever you want to stop the script and end the script, simply you have to press exit, enter. Then the script will be exit. Okay. One thing remember here the script is unnamed. You didn't name the script. It is simply unnamed script. But you can name the script also. To name the script, what you have to do? You have to give the name here. So what kind of the name normally you give here? That is script S1. So I want to give a script name as S1 and simply enter and do all the activities. At the last I simply press exit. That will be recorded. Okay, so this is the usage of the script command. And some more thing is also there. For this script command we are having some options are also there. So what are the various kinds of the options? For this option, -a is one of the option, -f is one of the option. What is the meaning of the -a? -a means suppose you want to append some more to that script. Okay, so you open the script S1. Again I want to append my session, some more session I want to start. I want to append all that content into the script S1, whatever I have created. For that what I have to do, script -a S1 enter, and remaining thing what I have entered, all these things will be recorded, and finally I press the exit. So what is the use of -a? To append the content whatever you want at that particular place, at that particular script where you are previously stored. And what is the meaning of -f? -f means we capture all the outputs. One thing we remember regarding this particular script command is script captures the outputs. Okay, so outputs. So whenever you want to clear the outputs whatever are there in the script, you have to use the flush command. That is script -f S1. So whatever content output the flush is stored in the S1, all will be flushed out. Okay, so like that these two options are perfectly used along with the script command. Script is one of the important command to store the output, and as well as to store the user command activity, to store the capture or to capture the output of the command, output of the user commands. Okay, you can append some more content to the script, and as well as you can flush out some more information, output information from the script. Okay, this is the main information regarding the script. In my coming videos I want to discuss some more information regarding the Linux commands. So keep watching my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you.